In this video, we're talking about the top 10 best ways to invest in real estate with little or no money. So before starting, please do like the video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Any property owned purely to create profit, either through rental income or market value appreciation, is considered an investment in real estate. In real estate, there is no such thing as no money down because the funds must come from somewhere. You must gain the capacity to recognize, analyze, and even take advantage of other people's money if you wish to invest in real estate with little or no money. When using traditional loans to finance real estate, you will only need a little amount of money for a down payment. In comparison to other investments, real estate has limited liquidity. Any sort of real estate investment involves some level of capital that is heavily reliant on cash flow to be considered profitable. For some of the most successful real estate investors, using other people's money to invest in real estate is the mark of authenticity. Why? Well, mostly because these successful real estate investors have mastered the art of investing in real estate without using any money. Investing in real estate with no money is an appealing option to test the waters for financially stressed investors and new investors. Furthermore, all of this can be accomplished without the need for credit or financial resources. Experienced real estate investors, on the other hand, have understood that borrowing money from others frees up their cash for other investments and clears up their available finances. Investing in real estate is a terrific way to achieve the long-awaited financial independence. Start investing in real estate if you want to start receiving a steady and predictable passive income. Many folks I know struggle with banal issues like, how do I get started investing in real estate, or where do I acquire the capital to buy a home? Many people who wish to invest in real estate but have never done so before have this question. Real estate investing is a tried and true method of accumulating wealth. Forget about tax liens, infomercials, and books about how to receive a house for free from the government. Number 10, by owning shares of real estate investment trusts. A REIT is a company that invests in real estate. The most significant advantage of REITs is liquidity. You can't get your money out if you own 20% of an apartment complex unless someone else buys your portion or the property is sold. When you possess shares in a real estate trust, you may usually sell them just like stock. You can invest in real estate investment trusts that create medical facilities, nursing homes, malls, and industrial parks, for example. Owning a number of REITs makes it easier to diversify your holdings and eliminates the need to manage anything. The only drawback is that they deduct a portion of the income for administrative costs before distributing the rest to shareholders. The real estate mutual fund is a comparable financial product. Unlike REIT shares, these mutual funds are more liquid. They are also more diverse. They may invest in REITs, publicly listed home builder shares, the construction supply firms. EFTs that invest in real estate are just EFTs that invest in similar industries. A REIT ETF is an exchange-traded fund that invests in real estate investment trusts. There will be lesser returns, but there will be less danger. There will be less danger than if you invested in a REIT. In every scenario, you are not required to directly invest in or manage real estate. Number 9, SBA loans for investing in commercial real estate. Small business loans are provided by the SBA in collaboration with lenders. The SBA 504 loan is the greatest option if you want to buy commercial real estate. Commercial real estate financing for owner-occupied properties is available through an SBA 504 loan. Small company loans from the Small Business Administration SBA demand only a 10% down payment, and funding levels range from $125,000 to $20 million. An SBA 504 loan can be used to buy a building, finance ground-up construction, or make changes to an existing structure. Number 8, special U.S. government schemes like USDA loans. The Rural Development Office of the United States Department of Agriculture provides mortgages with 0% down payments in order to fill overpopulated areas of the country. These loans are only available in municipalities with populations of less than 10,000 people. Overall, 10,000 is a large number for most places. Therefore, 97% of the United States is protected. USDA loans are zero-down mortgages for home buyers in rural and suburban areas. These loans are available to persons with a low or moderate income. They're mostly for low-income borrowers who can't secure a regular mortgage. Number 7, trade houses. Another feasible option for getting new property is by trading houses. You will not only be able to obtain a new property, but also avoid the capital gains associated with selling a property by swapping an old one for a new one. This is another tried and true method for investing in real estate with no money. Furthermore, we understand that there is no such thing as a no money down real estate investment because the funds must originate from somewhere, right? There are various other options to buy an investment property with no money down besides the ones mentioned above. Invest in real estate today using one of the methods mentioned. On to number 6, home equity loans. If you don't have enough money to make your second real estate investment, you can take out a home equity loan. The majority of investors use the equity in their primary residence to finance the purchase of a new property. Different products such as home equity lines of credit and home equity installment loans are available from banks and other financial institutions, allowing buyers to leverage their existing equity. If you're new to real estate investing, you can read our blog all about real estate investing for beginners by clicking on the link. Now, it'll teach you the most critical rules to follow if you want to be successful in residential real estate investing. Number 5, forming partnerships to invest in real estate with little money. Real estate partnerships are a popular way to participate in real estate with little or no capital. If you want to invest in real estate but the cost is prohibitive, an equity partnership may be the answer. An equity partner is a person you invite into a transaction to assist with financing. There are various methods to form partnerships, and it's up to the buyer and partner to agree on a more viable structure. Number 4, microloans. A plethora of new financing choices have opened the market for real estate firms to prosper. Microloans, as the name implies, are typically focused towards startups or newer enterprises that require capital to expand. Traditional financial institutions do not offer microloans since they are substantially smaller. As a result of the lower balances, these programs will be less stringent in their qualification standards, such as credit score. A microloan is a wonderful way to get money to invest in real estate if you don't have any. Number 3, hard money lenders. If you don't have enough money to invest in real estate, hard money lending is a possible choice. The funding employed in real estate investment will originate from groups or private persons rather than from banks. Because these loans do not have to go through corporate procedures, they typically have lower qualification restrictions. This implies that they will be safeguarded quickly. Furthermore, private lenders may be eager to support hazardous initiatives. As a result, because lenders are assuming bigger risks and the durations are often 12 months or fewer, the interest charged on hard money loans is higher. Closing charges, application fees, appraisal fees, and any other expenditures related with the purchase of a property are all covered by hard money loans. Number 2, investing in real estate through lease option. The lease option is the second established approach to invest in real estate with no money. The property owner charges the buyer a monthly or yearly premium in the form of higher rental payments under the lease option. The remainder of the rental fee will be applied to the purchase price. The investor might purchase the investment real estate with a little higher rental cost under this sort of agreement. Number 1, purchase money mortgage, seller financing. Seller financing is the first tried and true method of investing in real estate with no money. When purchasers are unable to obtain a loan from a financial institution, they may turn to the sellers for assistance. In traditional real estate deals, the purchasers pay the sellers cash in order to take possession of the property. A purchase money mortgage, on the other hand, involves the seller providing funds to the buyer. The purchasers will then pay the sellers according to the parameters agreed upon. The purchase, ownership, management, rental, and/or sale of any sort of real estate for profit is known as real estate investing. It's a great concept since real estate provides a unique combination of security, consistent cash flow, and a high likelihood of significant capital gains. You don't make as much money as if you invested in the stock market at its height, but you won't lose either. A well-planned and executed real estate investment can provide continual passive income while also proving to be a smart, long-term investment if the property value rises tremendously over time. You may even make it a part of your overall wealth-building strategy. If you're new to real estate investment, reading good real estate books and learning from seasoned investors who have made millions by investing in some of the country's top real estate areas are essential. Following the housing market crash of 2007, single-family rental buildings were attractive investments for investors looking to save money on construction or renovation costs. Hey, what do you think of the video? Let us know in the comment box below. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel for future updates.